Hi there guys, so today I've got an unboxing and a little look at the brand new 2024 Beats Pill. So I've got this in the matte black colour to match all of my other Apple things that are all sort of black more or less. And yeah, I just thought I'd unbox it and take a look at this new portable Bluetooth speaker. It's the brand new Beats Pill. So just whilst we're taking a look around the box, where it's got a nice picture on the front, a nice engraved Beats Pill wording on the top, some information around the back. So this new pill, back for 2024, it's claiming to be lighter, more powerful, more portable, and it's got a 24-hour battery life. So it's meant to be really good. I'll put it to the test and see what it's like. So we've just got a little pull tab on the side to undo the box. Let's see what we get inside. So it must come with this black lanyard attached. So let's just pull that out. There's nothing left in there, I don't think. So everything will be in this little package. So we've got the actual Beats Pill on top. It's got a bit of weight to it. It's not too heavy though. But yeah, if you put that in a bag, you kind of probably would tell its presence. I'd say maybe like a full bottle of water, maybe a litre bottle of water. That's how heavy it feels. So on the top, we've got power on and off button. We've got our play and pause and our skip. Then just our volume up and down. And this is USB-C as well. So what else do we get in the box? So there's this little pamphlet thing here. It just has like a quick start guide more or less. So yeah, quick start guide. And I do believe you get some stickers. Yeah, you get a red and a black pair of Beats stickers, which is always good. And then yeah, additionally you get a USB-C to USB-C cable included as well. Moving back to the speaker itself, so it does come with this lanyard attached, which you can obviously take off if you'd like, but that's just to make it easy to be portable. Wrap it around your hand, carry it around parks, on a walk, anything like that. Although you mightn't want to annoy too many people with your music blaring. So let's take off this little wrapper sticker that we've got on here. There we go. So let's power it on for the first time. Wow. The bass on that, just the startup, you can tell it was kind of insane. It's asking my iPad to connect, so I will just connect it to that. From first impressions, I feel like this is going to be a very good speaker. I bet it's going to be very loud and I bet the bass is going to be very good, but I shall test that. So some quick fire information about this brand new 2024 version of the Beats Pill. So it's got a new internal race tracker woofer which pushes 90% more air for bigger sound and a deeper, fuller bass. It's said to be better at diminishing low-end distortion. It's IP67 rated, which means at the pool, at the beach, in the rain, you'll be fine with the speaker. The new Pill has a 20-degree tilt, upward tilt, to help optimize sound when it's placed flat. And this helps to optimize the sound delivery and away from objects which might obstruct the sound. Back to the battery, which I mentioned before. It's got a 24-hour battery claim with fuel fast quick charging. A quick 10 minutes charge can get you 2 hours of playback. So I reckon you'd need a high voltage wall adapter for that, but either way, it's got a good battery life. You can use it as a portable charger as well with the USB-C. So if you have any Android or an iPhone with USB-C, you can use the cable that was included in the box and charge your phone with it whilst you're out and about. So it can also act as a power bank. Now, it's not just iPhones, because I know Beats is now an Apple company. So it's not just Apple products this will work with, although I hazard a guess it would work best with Apple products, but it does also work with Android, so it's compatible with both. One other feature that they've got in here, which is really good, is it's got Find My. So if you do lose it, you can log into the Find My app and just see where it is to try and locate your lost Beats Pill. You can also use a speaker for calls. It's got a microphone on board. Also, it does have lossless audio by that USB-C cable, which is really good. So I bought this for retail at £149.99. So it's not the cheapest of speakers. You probably can get a JBL of about 50 quid cheaper and it'll do more or less the same thing, but I've not tested it yet. So let's get on to the actual sound. So now I'm going to put on some royalty-free music because I don't want to get copyright strike. So let me pop some on and I'll let you know what it sounds like. And yeah, let's just put something on. Okay, this is on about 25% volume, so let's put it all the way up and see what it sounds like. That does get very loud. So that was more liquid drum and bass. Let's try a different type of music now. I've got a sort of trap beat. I can tell that bass is good. I'd say that beats have always been really good with bass and being bass heavy, but what I would say about the speaker is I think the mids and the highs are also very good. I'd say probably best for bass if you like bassy sort of music, but overall it is a really good speaker and I'm not disputing that they've probably really heavily engineered this to be the best that it possibly can. So yeah, for 150 I think if you can afford it and you're looking for something like this, I think it's a really good option. Yeah, I'm impressed by it. I think it's really good. So yeah, that's my unboxing and impressions of the brand new Beats Pill in the black colour. So yeah, give us a like, subscribe, let me know what you think, and if you've got any questions, pop it in the comments box below. Thank you for watching.